everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go ahead and get started. We had talked about perhaps the market getting a bounce, right? Be ready for a possible bounce in the market. So we did get that today. All right. So we absolutely got a bounce today. So the Dow was up a little over 200 points. NASDAQ was up. So the markets were up today. All right. Let's take a look at the price action. All right. All right. So we're still in the markdown phase. Sellers are still in control, but a bit of a bounce today. The Dow is finding some support right here. All right. So, but sellers can come back in. All right. We're still in the markdown phase. We have sell short signals on the daily time frame. All right. But always expect a bounce after some selling. All right. Here is the S&P right here. All right. So same thing, guys. All right. Sell short signal is here. All right. Just a little bounce, right? Little bounce today. All right. On the S&P, but still in the markdown phase. Sellers are definitely in control. If you guys buy the bounce, just don't stay in long. All right, because again, sellers could come back in. All right. Same thing on the Russell. Here's the Russell. Now remember, we broke support. All right, we broke support on the Russell. All right, it's on the daily time frame. So right now we're trading below support right here. We have further support right here. So we'll bring this down. All right, so near-term support broke that. We've got further support down here. All right, that's on the Russell, and on the let's see here on the Nasdaq. Take a look at the Nasdaq. All right, found a bit of support right here. All right, a little bounce right here. So Nasdaq was up today, but again, still sell short signals. And sellers are still in control. VIX made a move down a bit. All right, so 1897 on the VIX. So VIX is down a little bit. All right, let's take a look at Monster US 30. All right, so Monster US 30. We do have a buy signal. All right, on the US 30. We had some good price action today. All right. So hopefully you guys took advantage of that on the smaller time frames. Okay. But let's wait, right, to see if we can break through resistance here. All right. All right. Hey, Solomon. Welcome, Solomon. All right. So we just need to get above. So we do have a buy signal, right? If we get above this resistance here, then we might get bullish a little bit. All right, for a little while there. All right, we holding support really well so far. All right, support right here on the daily time frame. All right, but guys, remember, right, we're still very bearish, so we can certainly break through that support and move lower. Okay, we looked at the big picture last night. All right, so nothing has really changed. Here's the Dow here, right? Breaking that trend line, weekly time frame on the Dow. So that's a big deal. Red candles here. So that's a big deal. All right, on the NASDAQ, our buy signal close, guys, on the NASDAQ, right? On the weekly time frame, big picture. This goes back a long ways, right? These are weekly, every candle is a week's worth of data. So we have a sell signal. All right, sell signal broke support. All right, so we could definitely see sellers coming in. Support down here. That's on the S&P. So we could see sellers come in really, really strong, even on an update like we had today. All right, S&P right here. Sell signal right here. Price break support. We could see sellers come in, look to test support And that's a big drop here for the S&P. All right. The last time we were at this support area right in here was 2020, 2021. Okay. So it's a long time. All right. And the Russell, all right, Russell is holding support right here. All right. Right here, holding support right here. All right. All right. Let's go through the current positions. Current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Long positions in Monster Scalper. We'll take a quick look at Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is really, I looked at it earlier, really making a move higher. We do have a buy signal on Bitcoin. All right. All right. Swiss yen. All right. Buy signal is here. Swiss yen is still holding. Nothing to do there. Aussie New Zealand, buy signal is here, moved up today. Look at that. Aussie New Zealand, great move going here. Looking to get past resistance up here. Now, we'll put this resistance line and see how the price reacts, right? To resistance right here, right? If it consolidates, if we start to get, white candle up in this area here, we might close it, all right? So Aussie New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. You guys remember these trades, right? The Kiwi pairs, right? Euro New Zealand buy signal is here, holding a bit of a pullback here. And then Pound New Zealand, all right? Pound New Zealand buy signal is here. And this one has some white candles, all right? But we'll hold it for now, all right? Pound New Zealand. If we get a red candle, all right? If you guys are in it, right? Just you might want to trim positions. We'll hold it or even close it, right? But we'll hold it for now. EUR SGD, right? Great trade going here. Euro SEK, EUR SEK. Buy signal is here. All right. That's moving up nicely here. EUR GBP, buy signal is here. That's holding. So Euro Pound. Euro HKD. Let's go ahead and close this trade, right? All right, so it pulled back. Right here was resistance, pull back, trading below resistance, struggling a bit. We could get buyers to come back in, but we'll just close this for now. All right, Euro, EUR, USD, same thing here. All right, almost identical. We'll close that. All right. EURN, okay, buy signal is here. That's still holding. All right, holding fine. All right. 1 second here. So Euro Pound, HKD, Euro USD. All right. So Euro, EURN, okay, buy signal here. And that's trading up nicely there. All right. All right. Short positions in Monster Scalper. New Zealand yen, that closed, guys. So that short closed. So we'll go ahead and remove that trade. All right. In Monster Scalper. New Zealand yen, USD DKK. All right. Sell short signal is here. It's trading right here. Let's see here. We might want to close this one also. Let's see here. Let's see if sellers will come back in. USD DKK. We could see sellers come back in, guys. Right? Move down lower in this channel. Let's take a look at the dollar, what the dollar is doing. All right. So the dollar index give a sell signal today. All right. You guys see that here. So sell signal today on the dollar. It is up right now, but we did get a sell signal today. It's moving up right now. So I would say go ahead. USD DKK. All right. Certainly that could come down. So you might want to leave it for now. All right. All right. So USD DKK short in Monster Scalper. Okay. So we'll leave that for now. All right. Forex dominator. All right. Swiss yen, we added Swiss yen, a new buy signal here. All right, so that's holding right here. Purpose support and resistance, but it's holding right here. Euro yen buy signal is here, a bit of a pullback. All right, good trend line, so it's holding so far. No red candles, no white candles, no sell signal, so it's holding so far here. All right, resistance is here. So we just needed to break out. Resistance is right here. All right. All right. Triangle right here. So we might get a bit more consolidation, hopefully breakout. EUR, JPY. All right. HKD, JPY, buy signal is here. That's still holding nicely here. Just needs to break out. SGD, JPY, similar. Buy signal is here. Nice price action. Just holding, right? Resistance is right here. These trades are forcing us to be patient, right? Right. Every day it's just holding right at resistance, but we have a nice markup phase there. ZAR yen, let's close this trade here. Nothing happening here. All right. Nothing happening here. So ZAR yen, close that trade in Forex dominator. All right. USD MXN. All right. Buy signal was here. We got in right about here. Still holding here. All right. Still holding there. That was the buy signal right there. All green candles, nothing to do there. All right. All right. Let's take a look at some of the peaks in volatility. All right. So this is the VIX. So we got a buy signal on the VIX, a bit of a pullback. The VIX did come down today. Okay. But still holding. Buy signal is here. That's holding. So that's on the VIX. Crude oil, buy signal is here. Crude oil still looking good, making higher highs here. All right. That's good for crude oil. And then gold, we have a new buy signal in gold right here. All right. So we'll see what gold does. Gold has had a tough time really breaking out. I think it has a high there of 21. It's at 19. So we'll see what gold does. All right. It is showing up in heat seeker. Okay. Bitcoin, let's go here. Bitcoin, let's take a look here. Look at the move in Bitcoin, guys. You guys know we've been watching Bitcoin, right? We haven't paid a lot of attention to Bitcoin, all right? But we know it's been consolidating, right? Very, very tightly, and finally made a move higher. This is on the daily time frame. So buy signal came in at 28,000 and change. It had been consolidating around 26, right up in here. Finally broke out buy signal. So we do have a buy signal, all right, on Bitcoin. Buy signal in Bitcoin. Right now trading at 33,000 932. So our Bitcoin traders, crypto traders, just remember, when Bitcoin moves, the rest of the majority of your crypto currencies will also move along with Bitcoin. Okay. If you guys want to trade it, you can, trade it on perhaps a smaller time frame than the daily. We track it on the daily. All right. But all the others are moving higher. Litecoin is moving higher. All right. A new buy signal right here on Litecoin. Nice markdown phase here. Okay. Here is Bitcoin Cash, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, but looking to break resistance here. All right. Ethereum, new buy signal with Ethereum right here. So they're all moving, guys. And then Bitcoin is right here. All right. But Bitcoin has the largest move, but the others will follow. Okay. And we have new ups here, all new ups. Um, Litecoin is neutral, but the chart looks, it's an early buy. All right. So expect Bitcoin to continue to move higher for now. Nice pop in Bitcoin this week. All right. All right. Let's take a look at equities. So current positions in Stock Boss. Now, we're still not adding any positions, okay, guys? All right. HMY, all right, that's the gold pick here. Buy signal is here. All right. Pull back, but held, trading right here. Buy signal was 468, trading at 477. All right. SWN, all right. Buy signal is here. That's holding. TAL, all right. TAL, buy signal is here. That's communication services. Buy signal is here. All right. Nice move higher, breaking resistance here. AVPT, technology, buy signal is here and moving higher. All right. So these stocks are moving higher, but again, update today. So no surprise there. All right. All right. DRS, that's technology. All right. Buy signal is here. All right. Moving up nicely. KTOS. All right. Buy signal is here. Broke resistance, all green candles. Nothing to do. That's part of technology. AEO. All right. Buy signal here. That's holding, all green candles. That's communication services there. All right. FYBR. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback, holding. All right. We get a white candle here, just close the trade, but holding so far there. Okay. All right. That's communication services. GPS, communication services sector. Buy signal here on the break of resistance, all green candles. All right. So continue to hold that right here. Nothing to do. All right. ESTE. All right. That is energy. So buy signal here, guys. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback, holding right there. All right. HPK, buy signal here. Bit of a pullback, holding. That's energy. MRO, all right. That's energy here. Buy signal here. That's a bit of a retracement because of the selling, holding, moving up higher now. Energy. MTDR, that's part of energy, but we'll close this trade here. All right. So we have pretty good resistance right here. All right. So we'll call this is resistance. This is where sellers got in before, buyers failed. Also here, buyers failed here. Sellers came in heavy. So here we are, purple support and resistance. Buy signal is here. It's failing so far. So we don't want that, we don't want sellers to come in like here, really push that price lower. So we'll go ahead and remove this one here. All right. So MTDR, all right, remove that. All right, PR, but buy signal is here. That's still holding, and that's part of energy. All right, PXD, I'm sorry, PXD. All right, same thing here. Same thing here. We have support, resistance right here. Right, this is where sellers came in before, and here, and here, and here, and then here we are. All right, so very choppy trading too. So, so buy signal was here, close today right here. So we'll just close this. All right, and I know it's energy, but it's not holding. SM, buy signal is here, a bit of a pullback, but holding a good upward trend line too. All right, so good upward trend line right here, just holding that price. So we just need buyers to continue, and we have resistance right here, good resistance right here. All right, so we need that price to gather, squeeze, right? And right in this triangle, and then a breakout there. Okay. All right. So that's it for stocks. Let's see if we can find any Forex pairs, and then we'll be done. All right. Take a quick look at these sectors here. So gold has a buy signal there. Silver, green candles. Communication services, green candle today. Energy has a red candle. That's not good. Tech, red candles. Sellers, biotech, home builders. Look at the sell in there. Materials, basic materials, financials, industrials, consumer staples. Lot of sell in there. So nothing has really changed. What's that? Real estate, utilities. So all the rest of these are the healthcare, discretionary, and telecom all down. Okay. All right. All right. Let's look for long positions. See if we can find anything. Aussie, New Zealand, we're ready in that one. All right. Monster scalper. All right, nothing there. All right, let's add Aussie CAD. All right, so Aussie CAD buy signal here. We've got some buyers coming in, green candles here on the daily, buy signal here. All right, so Aussie CAD, long in monster scalper. Okay, and look at here, guys, all these are up. So all of the Kiwi, all of the Aussie pairs, right? Aussie dollar, all right, Aussie New Zealand, Aussie Swiss, Aussie CAD, they're all up, and they've got new ups too, so that's good. All right. New Zealand dollar, nothing here. All right. New Zealand Swiss, nothing here, but good markdown phase, good short there. New Zealand CAD, all right, that's setting up to go long, not ready yet though. All right, good markdown phase, good support. All right, this should be a good one once we get a buy signal. Okay, so pay attention to those. SGD JPY, we just need a break of resistance. Look at the daily time frame, guys. All right, and we're trading this one in Forex Dominator. All right, let's take a look at the 240 here. So We'll add this one. We just need it to break through that resistance. We do have a buy signal. SGD, JPY, long in Monster Scalper. Okay. Be careful with the yen pairs, they're mixed. Okay, so we don't have a rotation. So just be careful. All right, so SGD, JPY, pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. All right, nothing here. Now it did offer good shorts on the. We used the smaller time frames. Good shorts today in pound yen. All right, euro yen. Let's wait on that. Swiss yen. We know what's going on with Swiss yen, right? We're already in this. CAD yen. Nothing there. Aussie yen. Nothing there. Euro pairs. Let's take a look. Long in euro pairs. We have a few already. Euro ZAR. Nothing there. Euro dollar. A bit of a pullback. We wait on that one. Euro SEK, we're in that one already there. Nothing here. What's that? Euro New Zealand? Yep, we're in this one already. Yep. NOK, we're in NOK. Are we in NOK? Yep, NOK already. So with most of the ones here that are running, nothing here. Nothing here. Euro CAD. We're not in that one. We missed Euro CAD. Nothing here. All right, let's take a look at the pound pairs. Pound pairs. Pound ZAR. Long, nothing here. Market still consolidating, guys. Look at this consolidation. All right, so bring in the time frames that we launched. Okay, so bring in your time frames like this. All right, and see if you can find some opportunities. All right, like here, this was a good short here. Let's see here. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand. Yeah, right here. All right. So because things are consolidating, you guys can find more opportunity. That's why we brought in the time frames here. Okay. All right. So I'm still consolidating. Let's see if we can find any shorts. Look at this. This is all mixed. Look at this. Look at the consolidation here, guys. Wow. All right. Even on the daily, look at the daily time frame. Just not a single trend. And this is the dollar pairs. Dollar SEK. Look at the consolidation. All right. So reduce the time frame. All right, nothing here. Okay, that's it. Our US 30 traders, Keep an eye on, let's see here, on the possible long. All right. So here, US 30. All right. So now it's trading between support and resistance. We do have a buy signal and green candles, right? So it looks like we could possibly get more buy-in, but who knows, right? We could get sellers to come back in and start testing support. So be flexible, be nimble, right? Reduce your time frames. All right, we'll put this right here and see if the price can walk up, right, and kind of break out. Okay, but if it does, that was could have some great long opportunities. Okay, so we had a great shorts, right? Really, a couple of good shorts here on the 60 minutes. So it's due for a bounce, right? But we don't know how far that, if it does bounce, how far it will go, right? But who knows, right? Who knows? All right, guys, take care. See everyone tomorrow. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for coming. Bye bye.